Imagine knocking on a stranger's door in Los Angeles, trying to sell them a full set of encyclopedias. No email, no website, no landing page, just you at the door and your ability to communicate. That's exactly what Siegfried Hack once did early in his career. Door-to-door encyclopedia sales in Los Angeles, which might be one of the hardest communication jobs on the planet. And from May 15th to 17th, he's one of the workshop leaders at the upcoming Toastmasters 59 conference in 2026. Over the next few weeks, I'm interviewing several of the workshop leaders from the conference. Short conversations where you'll meet the speakers, hear their ideas, and pick up practical tips to improve your speaking. Then you can come see them live in France in May. If you're coming to the conference or simply want to become a better communicator, check out the interviews in this playlist. You might discover an idea that changes the way you speak. Thanks for watching.